Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at the Shaw Nature Preserve. It's just out of St. Louis. Let's go check it out. I've never been here before. At least not that I remember. All right, let's go. It's a part of the Missouri Botanical Gardens. The entrance is pretty cool. All right, so I got my sister getting our e-tickets taken care of. Let's go look around. Okay, I think we're at the Merritt's Trail House. I wonder if anything's down here. Looks like park rangers down here. Or maybe not. This is where the bathrooms are at, or some bathrooms. You could really spend all day out here hiking the trails. Oh, it deals with the rope. This will have to be an abbreviated view of the trails. My nephew fell asleep in the car. All right, let's go see what else is over here. A teepee. Oh, let's go check out the teepee. All right, I found the Wetlands trail. It's a short one. Let's go for a little walk. I'll let you guess who that is up front. They're a little camera shy. Okay, it's a pretty nice trail. All the flowers. You want another B shot? I'll put that last shot in the B-roll. Let's go see what we can observe. All right, this is very cool. Let's go up inside. Let's go up the steps. I like it. They have steps that, you know, regular steps. It's much better for climbing. Oh, you hear frogs. At least I think they're frogs. It's quite the sight. Very nice. Well, that was a quick tour. I missed a lot. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. Have a great day. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.